Now the color mode. And color mode has to do with color combinations based on the product that you want to create. There are three main color modes to focus on. RGB is the most widely used color mode, especially on websites and video. RGB stands for red, green, and blue. The other color mode is CYMK, combining cyan, yellow, magenta, and black. And this mode is mainly used for print products. That's why you see a lot of ink cartridges with these four colors. Then there's Grayscale, which is primarily mostly black and white with several shades of gray imagery, and they really enhance photography. On the preset details, let's start off by selecting RGB. Bit depth refers to the color information stored in an image, and I'm not going to go too much into the detail, but in a nutshell, a value of an 8-bit graphic refers to a maximum of 256 colors. A 16-bit means 65,536 colors, and 34-bit means that image holds 16,777,215 colors. Now that's big. So the higher the number of bit depth, the more richer quality of a graphic. But you might be thinking that let's just choose 34-bit. Well, hold on now. The larger the bit size, the more difficultly it will be to export. And if we're going to be working primarily on a monitor, we don't need that high a number. 8-bit is good enough for these tutorials and for most projects. In fact, throughout my 25-year career, rarely do I go above 8-bit. So let's just keep it at 8-bit. I'll have more information about this on the notes for this section.